You know when people that don't know a lot about Islam ask a question, hey, why does it say in the Quran this, this, this? You've heard this question, but why does it say in the Quran this, this, this? Think about the language of that question. Why does it say this? Why does he say this? That's Allah talking. But the level of disconnect is so powerful that in your mind, this is just a book and it says, it speaks. In your mind, it's no longer clear that it's in fact the one who made you and loves you more than anyone ever will, and the one who takes care of every breath you take in and every breath you take out, and every beat of your heart is the one speaking to you here. That thought is gone. It's just an it that says something. And now you have questions about it. This is a disconnect from Allah speaking Himself. There are lots of people that even if they don't consider themselves religious, when they're in times of trouble, they turn to prayer. They make dua to Allah. Ya Allah, just show me a way. I don't know what to do. Give me some guidance. I need a way out of this mess. And they come and they'll say, maybe even say to me, say to others, I keep praying for a solution. I keep praying for some direction. I don't get it. Why isn't Allah giving me help? Why isn't He guiding me? Well, I'm here to tell you something. For all of those of you that have had those instances where you're praying to Allah, you're asking for an answer, and you seem to not be able to find that answer, you keep asking Allah and He's not giving it to you, it's because He already did. He already did. He spoke to you. Risalati Rabbi. The Quran is called messages or letters from my Master. He wrote these letters to you and me, for what we go through, for the problems you and I have. Why do you think in the Fatiha we recite, Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, guide us? Tell me what to do. I don't know what to do. When you're at a loss, you're in trouble, you don't know who to turn to, you don't know what the answer could be. This book came for you to connect to Allah directly. We know that for a fact because when you stand in salah, you're supposed to recite, when you're standing, you're supposed to recite Quran. And you're supposed to pay attention to the Quran you're reciting. That in and of itself is explicit proof that there's no scholar between you and Allah. There's no mufassir between you and Allah. There is no someone more knowledgeable between you and Allah interpreting it for you. It's just you, the words of Allah, and Allah. That's it.